Imagine a world where technology and creativity intertwine, where artificial intelligence breathes life into artistic visions. In this transformative era, AI is not just a tool but a collaborator, reshaping the way we perceive, create, and interact with art. It's an exciting frontier, a fusion that opens up boundless possibilities, bringing forth works of art that are unique, captivating, and sometimes downright surreal. So, buckle up as we delve into the fascinating realm of AI-generated art. Gone are the days when AI was confined to traditional roles. Now, artificial intelligence is branching out, making its mark in the realm of art and creativity. It's not just about crunching numbers anymore. AI is exploring the nuances of brushstrokes, color palettes, and composition, transcending its conventional roles. Imagine a world where Van Gogh's Starry Night could be merged with your family portrait. Sounds fantastical, right? But with AI, this is a reality. By learning and replicating artistic styles, AI is creating a new genre of art that's as exciting as it is innovative. And it's not just about static images. AI is also dipping its toes into the world of dynamic content, creating stunning videos that blur the line between human and machine creativity. It's like having a virtual artist at your fingertips, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From static images to dynamic videos, AI is revolutionizing the art world. Imagine painting your world with the brush of Van Gogh or Monet. Well, with neural style transfer, it's possible. Neural style transfer is a fascinating technique where artificial intelligence can apply the style of one image to another. Picture this: you have two images. One is a simple picture of a tree, and the other is a vibrant painting by Van Gogh. Now imagine if you could paint that tree with the same style and texture as Van Gogh. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not magic, it's machine learning. The AI analyzes the style image, learning its textures, colors, and brushstrokes. It then applies this learnt style to the content image, transforming it into a unique piece of art. Whether it's a selfie styled as a Picasso or a cityscape in the style of Monet, the possibilities are endless. And that's the magic of neural style transfer, a blend of technology and artistry. Welcome to the world of GANs, where creativity takes an entirely new form. Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, are a class of AI algorithms used in unsupervised machine learning. In essence, they consist of two parts, a generator and a discriminator. This duo works in tandem, engaging in a creative duel of sorts, where one strives to produce realistic and imaginative art, while the other evaluates its authenticity. The generator starts by creating a random piece of art, which the discriminator then evaluates. If the discriminator deems the artwork as fake, the generator takes this feedback, learns from it, and tries again. This process repeats until the discriminator can no longer distinguish the AI-generated art from real ones. The result? Stunningly realistic and imaginative pieces of art that push the boundaries of creativity, all generated by an AI. From intricate portraits to surreal landscapes, GANs are creating artworks that are challenging our perception of art and creativity. As we see, GANs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in art. In the symphony of art and AI, humans and machines play in harmony. The canvas of creativity is being stretched beyond its traditional boundaries as human artists and AI algorithms join hands. The partnership is not about one superseding the other, but about enhancing each other's strengths. Consider the project Deep Art, where artists feed their initial sketches into an AI system. The AI then uses its understanding of art styles and techniques to provide options for the final piece. The artist, in turn, brings their unique human touch, their emotion, their interpretation to the table, resulting in a masterpiece that is the best of both worlds. Or take the next Rembrandt project, where AI was used to study and recreate the style of the great Dutch master Rembrandt. A human artist then added their interpretation, creating a new piece that was both familiar and novel. And that's the beauty of AI in art. It's not about replacement, but about enhancement and collaboration. As we journeyed through the world of AI-generated art, we've seen the incredible possibilities it offers. From the transformative technique of neural style transfer, to the imaginative duels of generative adversarial networks, and the dynamic video creations, to the synergistic collaborations between humans and AI, the artistic landscape is evolving. We're witnessing a revolution, where AI is not replacing but enhancing human creativity, expanding the boundaries of what's possible. So the next time you marvel at a piece of art, remember it might just be the work of a creative duo, a human and an AI,